Weeding. Removing the weeds which a crop grower has to do repeatedly after planting and before harvesting his crop. Cultivation. The process of loosening or breaking up the soil around growing crops or plants in order to maintain it in condition favorable for their growth. Irrigation. The application of water to the soil by any other means than rainfall. Fertilizing. The practice of applying fertilizers to crops through the soil or to the leaves of the plants. Mulching. The practice of placing mulch materials above the soil such as straw, paper, sawdust, leaves, and the like to protect the roots of the plants from excessive heat and cold or from drought. Pest control. The reduction or limiting of pest population that reduce agricultural productivity.